Yo, starting off with Earn by Time. Current rate, we are at $17 an hour, and we've got the first order up. This is gonna be Champ Pizza going 6 miles.
Ranches inside. These are Coke plants?
Yeah. It says, don't knock, have dogs. Please just leave at door and have a good rest of your day or night. Smiley face. Yeesh. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. And we got the next one right away. This is McDonald's going 6 miles. Lobby still closed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is the number? This one? Yes. Vega.
Thank you.
We have a...
Well, they were about 10 minutes late opening up that lobby. Usually that would not have been a big deal, and I would have just gotten back in my car to go through the drive-thru. Except I would have to circle around onto the main road just to get back into that parking lot. And there were like 6 cars in the drive-thru already, so that was not gonna happen. It was faster just waiting for them to open the door. $1 tip, huh? This is how we're starting today off. Total ended up being $6 and change, and we got the next order right away. This is Starbucks going 6 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bro. Total ended up being $5 with that no tip. Got the next order right away. This is the Human Bean going 7 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. $1 tip. Yeah, I guess I'll go for myself then. Next order up, we got a Burgerville going 8 miles. Okay, dude.
There you go. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Total for that one ended up being $11. Not terrible, but it is quite the drive to get back into my zone, so honestly I don't even know if that was worth it. Finally making it back into town, and we got the next order. This is Starbucks going 4 miles.
I think it's all like what's forever. That's
Amanda delivery.
I do not have all day, especially for a no tipper. Total ended up being $4. Oh, what a lovely day. Finally got the next order. This is gonna be Chick-fil-A, $7 going less than 2 miles. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $11 going 5 miles, 9 items, but there's a few repeats on there, so it shouldn't be that bad. Two of those. 2 of these. 3 of these.
Safeway is pay and flexible hours. Laundry or the perfect gift.
32 cents.
Very much.
Got it? Yep. Next up, we've got a Mr. Maple Donuts going 3 miles.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you picking it up?
Yeah, for Janelle.
Which one?
Janelle?
Yeah.
Thank you. Bro, any tippers? Any tippers? Total was $4 for that one. Next up, we've got a Muchas Gracias going 2.5 miles.
Morning.
Morning. For Matt. Thank you. Total for that one was $3 and change. 0 tip, of course. Next up, we got a McDonald's going 4 miles. Thank you.
Hey, Joe. Oh, I thought you were going straight. I was walking behind you and the dog was walking behind you.
So we got the couch in there, but like barely, and so then my stepdad looked at the table and stuff to like make.
At least they tipped. Total for that ended up being $6 and change. And we got the next order right away. This one's gonna be Daydream Breakfast Burrito going 8 miles. Actually, it's only one burrito. We're not doing that. The chance of that not having a tip on it, no, thank you. Georgie's Garage and Grill going 6 miles. Same restaurant. How many items do we have? 3. At least that's more than the last one. Sure, let's take this one, I guess.
There you go, my dear.
Thank you. Of course it's upstairs. Why would it not be upstairs? Finally, a good order. Total ended up being $11 for that one, and it only took me 20 minutes.
For dashing? But yeah, I could see the alcohol thing because I was delivering alcohol
Thank
one
you.
night to this guy, and he was in a really super dark cul-de-sac. Didn't have his light on in his house or anything. He came from his backyard around the fence and scared them.
I don't think I mentioned it, but this is a Tammy's Bleepin' Kitchen order going 8 miles. The goal here is to make at least $11 so I can call it a day at an even $100. But if we're going by how today's been, I might need to do another 3 orders. Oh, hello. There you are.
Thank you very much.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Got those $11 just from the tip alone. Total ended up being $17. Huge order. Current time is 10:38. Total, we are at 105. That's kind of crazy considering I didn't get any tips on like 80% of my orders today. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.